Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to change the screen lock to a pattern on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, using a pattern lock can help protect your privacy by preventing unauthorized access to your device data, apps, and settings, especially if you frequently leave your device unattended or share it with others. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Settings menu on your device. Well, so now please scroll down and then select Password and Security option. Well, after that, select Lock Screen Password and select Pattern option. Okay, after that, set a pattern and then confirm it. Click Confirm here. So now set the lock screen notification setting according to your needs. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change the screen lock to a pattern on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.